Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Microsoft OneNote error code 0xE00009C8 in your Windows 11 and 10 PC. To fix this issue, the first workaround is go to settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key, and here choose setting system from the left side, and here look for the option troubleshoot. Choose other troubleshooters and run network and internet troubleshooters. This is the first and initial workaround. Your network and internet must be stable to operate OneNote. The next fix is open OneNote app in your system. Here go to files from the top menu bar, and here you will find the option view sync status. Click on it. Here sync automatically whenever there are changes. You may choose sync manually, but now choose sync all and close the window and check whether your OneNote error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is clear Microsoft OneNote caches from your system. To clear caches, OneNote caches, open File Explorer, go to C drive, here go to users, open your profile name, here open app data, open app data, here open local, here scroll down and look for Microsoft, open Microsoft, and here you will find the option OneNote. Open it, open 16.0, and here you will find the option caches. Open it, press Ctrl plus A to select all the item from this folder and choose delete. This will clear your Microsoft OneNote caches from your system. And check whether your OneNote error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open OneNote app in your system again and log out from your OneNote app. Click on your profile icon and choose sign out. A pop-up message will appear. Removing this account will sign out from this and your all Office application. Choose yes, and after that again sign in from your Microsoft Office and check whether your OneNote error code resolved or not. If not, check Microsoft services status. Open your Chrome browser and type Microsoft server status. Here click on services status. As a result appeared, and check whether any Microsoft Office status is down or up. Everything is up and running. Your message receives. If you find any of the one Office related server is down, then you will have to wait sometimes. And the last workaround is go to settings, go to apps from the left side, click on installed apps. Here look for OneNote, click on 3 horizontal dot against Microsoft OneNote and choose modify. A confirmation window will appear. Choose yes. How do you like to repair your Microsoft 365 and Office program? Choose quick repair and finally choose repair, and follow on-screen instruction to complete the process. Your OneNote error code definitely will resolve.